Welcome to my Valentine's Day inspired pink eyeshadow look. For this look, I chose to use mainly my Huda Beauty Rose Quartz palette, since Rose Quartz is associated with love. Rose Quartz is a pink form of quartz and is in the mineral class of quartz. Its meaning is love and compassion. It is also attached to the heart and throat chakras. It communicates all kinds of love and self-care. It can be found in Japan, Madagascar, Brazil, and the USA. It is linked to both Aphrodite and Adonis. It represents all kinds of love, not just romantic love. I love rose quartz, and here are 2 pieces from my personal healing stone collection. I, of course, wore one today. Now back to my eye look. First, I went in with a white base, and then I applied the color Cherished to my crease and socket area. I then wanted to darken it up a little bit, so I went into the color Happiness and concentrated that on my lower crease area. For my brow bone, I switched gears a little bit and I went into my Viseart Paris Love Letter palette, and I used that light shade right in the middle there and just applied that to my brow bone. Although that picture is really not a great representation, you can't see it all that great. Then rather than going in with another type of tacky base, I decided to use that marble cream shade called Love Stoned as my tacky base, and I applied it to my mobile lid. It's pretty transparent and doesn't really have any color, so I thought that would be a perfect thing to try. I then went into the color Moon Magic and I applied that all over Love Stone. Moon Magic is such a stunner. It's a gorgeous shade. It was absolutely perfect for Valentine's Day. I think Moon Magic is probably my favorite shade in that whole palette. For my lower lash line, I went back into Happiness just because I wanted to add like a little bit of pink under there. And then for my waterline, I actually switched gears again and went into a multichrome eyeliner from MBA Cosmetics called Moxie. It's really pretty. It shifts kind of from a pink to a yellow to a peachy kind of pink. It's very pretty. And then for my inner corner, I went back into the Huda Beauty palette and applied Cosmic Love for a nice fun pop of a pinkishy purple color. And that is my finished look right here. It's so very pink and I love it very much. Thanks for watching.